Hi everyone. As we move towards the end of week 2, I wanted to give you a couple of things to pay attention to. One is I wanted to show you guys how to access your grades and the feedback I've been leaving you. So there's two types of feedback. I already showed you guys how to look at the general comments and see media feedback. But typically, especially as we move forward towards the discussion boards and the worksheets, there's feedback that I'm going to leave in different ways. So if we look at the box plot worksheet, no, I thought I submitted it. Let me see, maybe I didn't submit it. Drat, I'm going to have to start all this over. Oh my gosh, no, I didn't submit this one. I submitted the regression one, so it's fine. I will go to that one. The regression option, yes, option 2, regression worksheet. So there's two ways I leave feedback on a worksheet. One, if you click here, you can actually see the rubric. This is how I give most of my feedback if you're looking at a discussion board or a worksheet. So the rubric also gives you a heads up on how I'm going to be grading these things, so you can see exactly where you might miss points. So you can see if this was your worksheet that you made multiple errors, there were missing units on number 2, you got full marks on number 3, 4, you lost a little bit of a point, doesn't really fall into one of these categories, but I made a comment saying the correlation is awkward and changes the meaning of the sentence. So you can actually see some of my feedback that's very personalized inside the rubric, as well as the feedback of just the rubric itself. Now, if it's a worksheet, I will actually usually give you feedback on the worksheet itself as well, depending. That's a little bit harder to get to. You can see I had to click on the actual submission, and then I can click on view feedback. If I click on view feedback, I had the ability to do a little markup on your thing. So I usually copy and paste the same language that I gave you, but you can see a little bit more in terms of markup on the assignment itself. So I just wanted to show you guys that those are two ways to get feedback back out of those assignments. Because remember, you can resubmit worksheets and discussion boards, any online activities, as many times as you need in order to make them perfect.